Hey, it's Margie with the Asking Spot, and I did something stupid.
Where to begin?
Let me narrow it down for you. Remember when I did my shower tiles and regrouted them? I got a video for it, and that wasn't the stupid part. The stupid part was with the extra grout. I was like, well, hey, I'll just kind of slap it up in some of the wall areas.
Why would you do that?
That was stupid. For starters, because I wasn't doing the entire wall, it ended up just kind of looking like a hot mess. Yeah, there are so many different colors of grout. It's crazy. So yeah, I need to fix this. And how I'm gonna do it? With this product, Grout Paint. Now, one of the things they recommend before you start doing any of this is that you clean it really well, like a thorough acidic kind of cleaning, so that it can hopefully get any residual treatment that might have been on the old grout that would make it resistant to accepting new grout. And one thing that you probably already have on hand, barkeeper's friend. Number one ingredient, oxalic acid. That's what I worked with, and it worked great for me. This is what I'm using, and in the color Biscuit. Shake really well. I grabbed an old plastic container, put some of the product in that, and then used an old toothbrush. You could also use an old paintbrush if you want. Well, I think it's safe to say I am going for a more thorough method rather than a super neat one. My thinking is I'm gonna have to clean up anyway. I'd rather have it thoroughly covered and not have to worry about that and just have a lot more to clean up.
5 minutes later.
According to the instructions, depending on what tiles you have, if you have really smooth tiles with fairly flush joints, you're supposed to go with the early wash method, aka the dry method. And that is, you leave it on for 5 minutes and then you come by with a folded up paper towel, being careful not to get in the grout lines. You just want to wipe down the tiles. You can also use a dry microfiber towel. If you could, please give a thumbs up, click the subscribe. Before we get into the after, let's talk about what we've learned. The big takeaway on this is probably something you might have seen if you've been watching a number of these videos. Just use the wet method. Supposedly, the wet method is only for the really porous tiles, like a travertine or something like that. This is ceramic, and yeah, everybody I've seen doing this, they're all kind of like, yeah, I should have used the wet method just from the get-go. It just works faster and easier. It's less strain. Otherwise, I love it. Here's the final results. We have had this now. I did this a while ago. I cannot say enough good things about it. It's been resilient to cleaning and whatnot, and it just looks sharp. Thanks so much for watching The Asking Spot.